Before theology is spoken, it is often seen. Across cultures and communities, images, spaces, symbols often tell stories. Stories about not only who we are, but how we encounter one another. My name is Lakeisha McCoy Aquino. I am an MDiv candidate at Pittsburgh Theological Seminary. I'm a volunteer fellow. I am also in the process of ordination, and my work sits at the corner of theology, culture, and creative expression. Our worship spaces, our clothing, our everyday expression, our sacred objects, they often can either invite someone in or unintentionally make people feel like an outsider, distant from their Christian expression. So I invite you to join me as we explore how what we believe, how we belong, all facilitated through visual expression. I hope that you will join me at the conference. I'll see you then.